Tell me when. Ooh, yeah, do that. Why the fuck are we doing arrows?
3, 2, 1, fire!
Oh, we're throwing everything? I was waiting for you to throw the time bomb.
Get him, motherfucker! Get him!
Surprise, motherfucker!
Oh my god. Ah! He ran over me!
Ran directly at Minty.
Yeah, we got him.
Did we?
No.
Oh, no, you got away? Okay.
Oh.
I have an arrow stuck in.
He literally did run me over, though.
He's got my
back?
spear.
Oh, he's coming back!
Oh,
Oh my god.
Oh, I get him with the-
Oh, look, he's flying!
Another hack shot!
Hold on,
He's
wait.
fucking
I'm
dead.
gonna...
This fucker's dead. He's out. Spear still.
I hit him with an arrow, I think.
He's flying.
Yes!
Give me your fucking money!
Oh. Hey, stop it, you fuck!
I want my